your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the boat. Please remain seated throughout the whole journey. And adults look after children, and as we are on the river, please protect your electronic devices. So that's start our journey. And you may go to the right hand side. Do you know what is it? A big tree. It is a tree house. Do you know who lives there? Yeah, it's Tarzan's tree house. Tarzan lives there. But here's on vacation now, so he's not at home. After you come back, you might come to visit him right on the route on the left hand side. Remember, don't swim across the river. There are so many crocodiles. Yeah, there are some animals waiting for us. Yeah. These are the elephants. It's mother elephant and baby elephant. Baby elephant is learning how to use his trunk. Don't worry, he just learned to learn, so we won't get wet. And here are something you may not see every day. It's an elephant taking a shower. Look at his wrinkle. He must soak in the water for a long time. So if you don't want to have so many wrinkles, remember, don't bath for a long time. Oh, there's another elephant. He wants to make us wet. Oh, he's coming up again. He's going to back go down. Oh, no more water. He just want to play tricks with us. And we are now on one of the longest river in the world. It's about 4,000 kilometers. But I know a shortcut, so that we can go back to the dock in some time. And you may look to the left hand side. These are the largest spiders in this jungle. It can jump over 20 feet from one side of the river to the other side. So be careful, don't let them jump into our boat. And up ahead is the temple of God of Elephants. Next to him are snakes. These are the most poisonous snakes in this jungle. Look, there's another snake over there. So everyone keep your hands up inside the boat and don't touch them. Does anyone want to go back to the dock? Are you afraid? No, you're so afraid. Great, let's continue our journey. Oh, something is coming towards us. Who are they? These are the crocodiles, the man-eating crocodiles. I think they're sleeping there, so they won't find us. And we are now going to Tarzan's river, Professor Potter, and Assistant dancing. Oh, so many funny companies come in just then. They are flying mariners. Now we are going to African safari. There are so many animals. What kind of animals can you see? Yeah, zebra and giraffe and elephant. This is the number 2 in this jungle. The African elephant and the number 1 most used animal is his mother, you know. And now we're going to hippo too. And the hippo is over 6,000 pounds. They are so heavy. And they are so sorry too. They never brush their teeth. So children, remember to brush your teeth every day. Otherwise, we become another smiling hippo. Oh, there are so many people on the train. They may be the explorers. There's nothing good in the river. Now they are chased on the rhino. That's why I told you to remain seated throughout the whole journey. Look, there are so many scales. Let us see. It must be the symbol of hate hunters. But I think they're going to prepare their dinner now, so they're not at home. You just keep quiet, walk slowly, they won't notice us. Oh, they're going behind the tree! And they go down! Be careful! Does anyone hit by the arrows? No? Great. If you're hit by the arrows, remember to return it back. It's not allowed to take souvenirs away. And they may come to find you at night and ask you to return the arrows. Oh, everyone is slow. Let's take to the other side. Here we go. I have something there before. We're really going back to the dock now. Can you hear some sound? Hey, baby elephant, it's so cute. And it's learning how to use its trunk. Before we go back to the dock, everyone please keep your hands, arms inside the boat. Hello, keep your arms inside the boat. Thank you. Okay, let's wave goodbye to the baby elephants. Bye bye. After my boat is stopped, you may leave in the middle or at the back of the dock of the boat. Remember, don't climb over the window. This is window. Otherwise, you will become a gorilla at midnight and you have to eat banana for the rest of your life. This age, I'm going to stop my boat.